Hello! In the next 2 minutes, we will cover all the new features of the latest Passware Kit release. To address the challenges in setting up and running high-performance distributed password recovery clusters, PKF 2024 v1 features a centralized remote control over Passware Kit agents in the network. The new Agents Manager is available directly from the Passware Kit Forensic at Tools Hardware. PKF 2024 v1 allows users to assign agents to a particular server, modify connection port, set up auto-update, and other options for remote Passware Kit agents. This includes cloud agents used on Amazon EC2 and Microsoft Azure. In addition, you can remotely manage your agent's hardware, control GPU utilization level, and get access to the performance stats and detailed logs. We've also improved the logging system and added a new network log. The log is available from the Tools menu and displays the network events. Besides that, with the latest PKF release, password recovery attacks can be run simultaneously. While shorter attacks are finishing, the next attacks begin. This minimizes GPU idle time by optimizing the management of the computational resources. Device Decryption add-on now supports password recovery for EFI passwords for Intel-based Macs without T2 chip. Extract the firmware from the SPI flash and select the dump in PKF to start the decryption. Furthermore, the latest version introduces GPU-accelerated recovery of EFI passwords for Macs regardless of the presence of a T2 chip. Finally, the new PKF features Decryption of QuickBooks 2024 for Windows databases. All files are unprotected instantly. You can continue with accelerated password recovery if necessary. Discover even more details in our blog post linked in the video description below. We always welcome feedback or ideas on how to improve the Passware Kit. Happy holidays, and we'll see you in 2024.